Once hailed as a refreshing addition to the royal family, Meghan Markle's journey from royal duchess to Montecito celebrity has been nothing short of polarizing. While she graces A-list events and cultivates a polished life in California, her relationships with the Windsors have fractured beyond repair. Let's unravel the web of strained ties that have left Meghan more isolated from the royals than ever. A new life among Hollywood's elite. Meghan Markle has seamlessly integrated into the glamorous world of Beverly Hills, far removed from the formality of Buckingham Palace. Her recent appearance at a Hollywood event supporting her close friend Tyler Perry, who once housed her in Harry post-Megxit, showcased her transformation from royal to celebrity. Nestled in Montecito's star-studded neighborhood, Meghan's life is one of luxury and community involvement. She has reportedly joined a local mahjong group and interacts casually with neighbors, including Oprah Winfrey and Katy Perry. However, this polished celebrity existence starkly contrasts her diminishing presence within the royal family, whose interactions with Meghan have been limited to formal occasions since 2020. The Kate rift, from lip gloss to bridesmaid drama. Meghan's relationship with Kate Middleton began with promise but quickly unraveled. Initial meetings were overshadowed by cultural misunderstandings, such as Meghan's penchant for hugs, which she later described as jarring for the royals. Events such as a grimace over a shared lip gloss and a bridesmaid dress disagreement involving Princess Charlotte added tension. Meghan later claimed that Kate's distress over the dress led to an apology, though conflicting accounts persist. Adding to the strain was a remark about baby brain hormones that Kate found offensive, resulting in a sharp confrontation. Public appearances since have been cordial but cold, with little indication of reconciliation. The William fallout, a brotherhood broken. Prince William and Meghan's relationship was turbulent from the start, with William reportedly cautioning Harry against rushing into marriage. Allegations of snobbery, disagreements over Meghan's conduct with staff, and even a physical altercation between the brothers have been detailed in Harry's memoir Spare. Meghan's directness, which William labeled rude and abrasive, clashed with the royal family's more reserved approach. The altercation at Nottingham Cottage, where tempers flared over Meghan's treatment of staff, left physical and emotional scars. Despite shared holidays and public appearances, the brothers' bond has been irreparably damaged, with Meghan's role in the dispute cited as a major factor. Eugenie and Fergie, a wedding overshadowed. Meghan and Harry's decision to announce her pregnancy at Princess Eugenie's wedding in 2018 is remembered as a significant faux pas. The announcement reportedly stole the spotlight from Eugenie and left both her and Sarah Ferguson deeply upset. While the Sussexes framed the timing as practical, royal biographers have pointed out the breach of etiquette. This event marked another instance of Meghan's actions sparking discontent within the royal circle, leaving lingering bitterness. The Charles disconnect, from support to disappointment. Initially a champion of Meghan, Charles walked her down the aisle at her wedding and invested heavily in the Sussexes' new life at Frogmore Cottage. Their relationship soured following the Oprah interview, during which Meghan and Harry aired grievances, including claims of racism and lack of support. Charles, in particular, was hurt by accusations that he had refused Harry's calls and withdrawn financial and security backing. While Charles has maintained a dignified silence, the fallout has cast a shadow over what was once a warm rapport. Meghan Markle's transition from royal to celebrity has been marked by fractured relationships and controversies. As she builds a life far removed from the confines of royal tradition, her ties to the Windsor family seem irreparable. While she finds solace among her Hollywood circle, the ghosts of broken bridges with the royals remain a defining chapter in her journey. Whether time can heal these wounds remains uncertain, but Meghan's story continues to captivate a world divided in opinion.